Can see, medyo tudurog na siya. So, konti pa. So, malapit na siya mag-powderize. So, effort na to guys. Kasi part siya. So, kinuha lang natin kung ano yung available sa kitchen. So, if you want, pwede naman kayo pumunta sa store, sa mga supermarket. Hanapin nyo lang, may cinnamon powder. Konting ano lang about sa cinnamon. Ang cinnamon is good for skin. Meron siyang antibacterial property, anti-inflammatory property, antioxidant din siya, and astringent. So, nakaka-help sa skin natin to kasi nakapag-exfoliate, prevents and treats acne and pimples, brightens complexion. So, makakatulong din tong cinnamon for brightening our skin. Tansyahin nyo kasi baka naman masobrahan, ma-burn yung skin nyo. Smells good. Medyo okay na siya. Powdered na siya. But I suggest na siguro kung ayaw nyo rin mag-effort ng ganitong ka-effort, should buy na lang sa supermarket yung powdered, ready na yung powdered na. So, we're done. You don't have to peel yung balat nila. So, as is lang yan. Cut nyo lang siya. And then our cinnamon is ready. So, you can see, hindi ko siya binalatan. Okay? So, there you have it. There you go. Carrots has anti-aging property and antioxidant also. It clears hormonal acne and delays wrinkles. So, malaking bagay din. Kaya, maganda rin talaga yung carrots sa skin natin. Carrots are stuffed with carotenes, which are phytochemicals that convert to a vitamin A. So, rich siya sa vitamin A, act as an antioxidant, cleansing and repairing our cells, protecting our bodies from infection. So, and this one, the cucumber. The cucumber provides bright and glowing complexion, high water content, rich in vitamin A, B, and C, and minerals. Cucumber used on skin care for oily and sensitive. This cucumber used for oily and sensitive skin, and dun din sa wrinkles. Meron siyang cooling effect, kaya maganda rin siya sa skin. Relieves sunburns, soothes muscle pain, regulates body temperature. So, kaya maganda rin talaga tong cucumber. And yung milk, actually this milk, or any milk, whatever you want, your own choice. The benefits of lemon: skin brightening. Alam naman natin na magaling siya for skin brightening. Removes blemishes and scars. Heals acne, natural bleach, get rid of dark spots, get rid of pimple marks and scars. So, yun ang nagagawa ng lemon for our skin. Maraming uses ang lemon. So, for this one, gagamitin natin is yung egg white only. This egg white, ang magagawa naman niya for our skin is controls oily skin, smooths wrinkles, gets rid of blackheads, and firming our pores. So, yun ang nagagawa ng egg white for our skin. Egg whites are rich in protein and albumin that have skin toning properties and promote wrinkle-free skin. It helps tighten large pores, lifts skin, fights off and prevents acne and acne scars, checks wrinkles and fine lines. So, ito ay nagagawa ng egg white. Carrots, egg whites, lemon, cucumber, milk, and our cinnamon powder. I-blender na natin siya ngayon. So, i-mix na natin ang lahat ng ingredients one by one. And I'll show you how. Bye!